What's up, beautiful people? I am back after 4 long months gone. But I'll do a video next time explaining where have I been. But today is not the time. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. What are you waiting for? Like, come on, just make me happy. Plus, it's my birthday today. So I will receive all the gifts for the July month. So starting with my DIY Star Wax, and using the Vaseline just to sweep it out. As you can see, it's very hard, so the Vaseline will sweep it out, make it smooth, just blend the edges. That's the drill, right? And for the products that I'm gonna use in this video, I'm just gonna insert a link from a previous video, because I showed each and everything that I did for my DIY SFX. So I'm gonna put a link in the description so you can go ahead and see that one. As in this translucent powder from LA Girl Cosmetics, just to remove that shininess from the Vaseline that I used. It's well blended now. Moving right along, I just used the back of my spirit brush to pinch out the holes. You know how trypophobia is like the fear of holes. So trypophobia is the fear of holes, guys. Well, there you have it. I just told myself that I'm not gonna do so much holes, but I was supposed to do like a lot than the ones that I did. And doing my DIY blood, the products just link to the description to watch that video of what I used to make my DIY blood. So I just put it in those holes, just to make it look realistic. There is no way I can do trypophobia without worms. Worms are a must. They add that effect to make it look more gross, more scary. So the worms are a must. So that shiny thing, it's a glycerin. So I put glycerin on my maggots just to make them look shiny. This is it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.